Hi everyone, I'm Shada and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to show you something super important. The correct setup in CATIA before running any PyCATIA automation scripts. I've noticed that many people, especially beginners, often get errors like active document not found or object has no attribute part. And 90% of the time, it's not the code. It's just that CATIA isn't properly prepared before running the script. So let's fix that once and for all. PyCATIA communicates directly with whatever document is currently active in CATIA. That means before you even press run, you need to have the right type of document open. For example, if your script works with geometry or features, you should have a cat part open. If it extracts or manipulates a product structure or BOM, you should open a cat product. And if it deals with drawings or 2D layouts, you'll need a cat drawing. You can always check which document is currently active in CATIA. Here are some common mistakes to avoid. 1. Running the script with no CATIA file open. 2. Having multiple CATIA sessions. PyCATIA connects only to the first one. 3. Mixing part versus product logic. For example, trying to access part from a product document. 4. Not saving the file before running scripts that modify geometry. So, always check your active document first. It can save you hours of debugging. And that's it. A quick but essential setup guide for running PyCATIA script correctly. In the next video, we'll actually use this setup to build a real automation example. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me, what part of your CATIA workflow would you love to automate next? Also, you can find all my script and notes on GitHub. The links in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.